Why do most young people struggle with money, while a small group quietly builds wealth from their phones? It's not luck. It's not connections. And it's definitely not what school teaches. It's a skill. A skill that most people ignore, misunderstand, or completely misuse. Forex trading. Now, before you click away thinking this is another get-rich-quick fantasy, let's get something clear. Forex is not for everyone. But learning it? That's a different story. Because when approached the right way, Forex can change how you think, how you act, and how you build your future. And in this video, I'm going to break down why every young person should at least learn Forex, not for hype, but for the real, powerful benefits it brings. Let's start with the biggest one. Forex forces you to understand money. Not just earning it, but how it actually works. Think about it. Most people go through school learning formulas, theories, and facts, but never once are they taught how inflation affects their savings, why currencies rise and fall, how global events shape their financial future. Forex throws you straight into that world. Suddenly, you're asking questions like, why is the dollar getting stronger? What happens when interest rates increase? How do central banks control economies? You stop being passive and start becoming aware. And that awareness? That's power. Because once you understand money, you stop being controlled by it. Forex is one of the fastest ways to expose your weaknesses. Impatient? You'll lose money. Emotional? You'll lose money. Greedy? You'll lose even more. The market doesn't care about your feelings. And that's exactly why it's so powerful. Because over time, it forces you to develop patience, self-control, emotional stability. You learn to wait. You learn to follow a plan. You learn to stay calm even when money is on the line. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. These traits matter far beyond trading. They affect your decisions, your relationships, your ability to succeed in anything. Forex becomes less about money and more about mastering yourself. Most young people are taught one thing: make more money. But almost no one teaches how to protect it. Forex flips that mindset completely. Because in trading, survival comes first. You quickly learn. Never risk too much on one trade. Always think in probabilities. Losses are part of the game. And this creates a powerful shift in thinking. You stop chasing quick wins and start thinking long-term. You begin to ask, what's the risk? Is this worth it? What's the downside? This mindset alone can save you from bad investments, scams, poor financial decisions. It's not just trading knowledge. It's life protection. Now let's talk about what everyone is really interested in. Money. Forex trading offers something rare. A skill that can generate income from anywhere in the world. All you need is a phone or laptop, internet connection, knowledge, no office, no boss, no degree required. But here's the part most people ignore. It's not instant. It can take months, even years, to become consistently profitable. And that's where most people fail. They come in expecting fast money, lose, and quit. But those who treat it like a skill, they build something powerful. Something that can supplement income, replace a job, create freedom over time. Forex isn't just about making money. It's about creating options. In Forex, there's no one to blame. No boss. No teacher. No system. If you win, it's on you. If you lose, it's also on you. And that level of responsibility changes you. You stop making excuses. You stop blaming circumstances. You start asking, what did I do wrong? How can I improve? That's how growth happens. You become more accountable, more focused, more self-reliant. And in a world where most people depend on others, that's a massive advantage. Forex connects you to the world. You're no longer just thinking about what's happening around you. You're thinking globally. You start paying attention to U.S. economic news, European policies, Asian market movements. You begin to understand how everything is connected. A decision made in one country can affect currencies across the globe. This expands your mindset. You stop thinking small. You start seeing the bigger picture. And that kind of awareness, it separates you from the average person. We are living in a digital world, and the future belongs to people who can operate within it. Forex trading builds technical skills, analytical thinking, data interpretation. You learn how to read charts, analyze trends, make decisions based on data, not emotion. These are high-value skills, not just for trading, but for investing, business, technology-driven careers. You're not just scrolling on your phone. You're using it to build something. Let's be honest. Most young people today are addicted to fast results. Instant likes, instant money, instant gratification. Forex destroys that mindset. Because in trading, you can't rush the market. You can't force opportunities. You can't win every time. You learn to wait, to be patient, to trust the process. And this is one of the most valuable lessons in life. Because success, real success, comes from consistency over time, not quick wins. Forex teaches you to play the long game. The truth most people won't say. Now let's address reality. Forex is not easy. In fact, most beginners lose money. Why? Because they rush in without learning, follow hype and fake gurus, overtrade, ignore risk management. They treat it like gambling instead of a skill, and the market punishes them for it. So if you're thinking about Forex, understand this. It's not a shortcut. It's a journey. A process of learning, failing, improving, and growing. But for those who stick with it, the rewards go beyond money. Final message. So, should every young person trade Forex? No. But every young person should learn it. Because it teaches you how money works, how to control your emotions, how to manage risk, how to think independently, how to build a skill in the digital world. It changes how you see opportunities. It changes how you approach life. And in a world where most people are financially unaware, that knowledge alone puts you ahead. If you found this valuable, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more content on trading, mindset, and building real wealth. And remember, Forex isn't about getting rich quick. It's about becoming the kind of person who can build wealth over time. I'll see you in the next video.